Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer at CAD NEST. So today I'm just going to discuss a Revit topic. Okay, so let it be, we'll see this one as in section here. So section we are having two types. One is 2D section, one is 3D section. 2D section we are going to make in floor plans only. So in the property option you can see this one option here in the properties. In the extend option you can see this one as a section box here. Sorry, not from here. So here directly we can take a section, click on a section and just click I just draw one path here. If I draw the path, you see how we have cut it here. So like that only in project browser you can see this section here. If you double click on the section here, now you can see the section view for that one. And if you want to cut this portion also, so if you want to make a segmented section, you can take split segment. If I take the split segment, if you want to take with the along with this door and along with this furniture, you can take up for this, and along with this door I'm going to take here. So now whatever the I have splitted here, now if I click on that, now see it shows according to that only, that section view just shows here. And if you want to show in the 3D also, if I click on 3D here, now see in 3D we can show this view here. But okay, in 3D also, if you wanted to cut the section and if you wanted to show here, then you can click in the property, that is section box. Once if I click the section box, the box will create, and from which portion you wanted to cut, from that direction you have to cut from that, and you can see this cut view of this 3D. So like that we are going to use the section box in 3D. If you off the section box from that then it will go off. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.